guys, this is Inara and I'm going to be cooking my kids from my Kids Treat Cookbook, and we are going to be cooking Italian chicken nuggets, and it's going to be very, 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 very fun. So let's get on to baking. First step, we're going to take our flour and put it into our bowl. And then we're going to shake it up. It's a little bit clumpy. So I'm just going to and now I'm going to slide it aside. And then I'm going to get my egg and take my bowl and let me crack my egg. I think we're all cracked juices coming out, egg juice. Haha, I didn't get any eggshell in it. And now I'm going to put this aside. Oh, I'm going to put this aside. And take my fork and stir it. I need a mixer. The back fork. The back fork. Mixer. Now we're going to put this aside. Oh! Haha, I didn't spill it all. And next we're going to take our crumbs, our bread crumbs, our dried bread crumbs. Boom! And we're going to pour them in there. And I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese too. Parmesan. And we're going to put this aside. And now we're going to take our Parmesan and then we're going to take 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of my seasoning. And now let's close that up. And time for my salt and pepper. Cooking man for my salt. No, my pepper. And now, my salt. And now I'm going to mix it with a fork. This one's going to be a fork, because this one is more dry stuff. Trying to get the breadcrumbs up and the seasoning down. Okay, I think that's good. And now we're going to put it aside. Now we're going to take my chicken wicket. And then we're going to take the...
Take 1 sec to prepare.
And we're going to take 1 sec to be prepared. Prepared. Now that I've got my chicken, I can dip it in the flour and roll it. And now dip it in the oven and roll it. And now dip it in the breadcrumbs and roll it. Looks good. And now put it on the tray. And now I think I get a napkin. I'm all gooey. But I'm gonna keep going. Flour, egg, breadcrumbs, salt. And now, flour. I need a breadcrumbs. Okay, now I'm gonna need a pencil. Don't use my hand because my hands are all blue. And where did I eat it? And now I'm just gonna keep stab it with the fork. Roll it around. Take it off the fork. Roll it around. Take it out. Gotta take it out without getting too much flour on it. Ah! I keep dropping it. Now put it in the egg. Roll it around, And now put it in there and roll it around. Now time to lift up this spoon. Roll it around. And now I'm going to do this. Roll it around. Aha, I'm off. My hands are so sticky. Ooh. Next, a napkin. Try to use it with one hand round doing this. I forgot I don't stab it, I picked it up. Roll. Pick it up. It just looks like a bowl of flour now. Roll. Now you can see the chicken. Roll. Now I'm gonna do this chicken. Gotta stab it again. Sweet. I don't want to get it everywhere. Don't drop. But now, flip it cute. And plate. Now I'm going to finish up the rest of the pieces and be right back. So now I'm going to open the oven. And now I'm going to put my chicken in the oven. Okay, I'm scared. I think that's far enough. It's going to be far enough. Now it's closed. It's closed all the way. Now it's set for 25 minutes. Hurrah! So done. Warm like a fireplace. This is freshly out of the oven. Now I'm gonna try one. Yummy. Actually really good. I really recommend trying it. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell button.
And it did say it was online.
My
So I
chicken
looked at
look
it.
good. My chicken look good. It's still warm like a fireplace. A little bit less warm. It's like a fireplace. Here.
That works.
It's like cool